Welcome back to the cooking channel. In this lesson we're going to learn how to make basil pesto. We're going to begin by taking some pine nuts and toasting them in a pan. Toast on a low to moderate heat. Keep moving your pan around so you get a nice golden colour evenly over each pine nut. Toast until golden brown like so. Set aside and allow to cool. Now we're going to take one lemon and cut it in half. Squeeze the lemon by using a hand juicer like so. Take one clove of garlic and crush. Remove the skin and chop. Add the chopped garlic to the food processor. Start adding your fresh basil to your food processor like so. Pour some of that freshly squeezed lemon juice over your basil. Add seasoning, cracked pepper and salt. Place the lid on and food process until it combines together. From time to time you'll need to scrape down the sides using a scraper. Continue adding fresh basil. And now we're ready to add the toasted pine nuts. Next we're going to add those toasted pine nuts and blend again. Once that's blended through, the next step we're going to do is add that grated Parmesan. Food process some more. The next step is to add in some extra virgin olive oil. Drizzle in gradually. Food process a little bit more. And there you have it, basil pesto. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Stay tuned to other great lessons of the cooking channel where we're going to learn how to use this to make pasta dishes.